Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are, don't forget to click that red button and subscribe and the little bell so you get notified every time I upload, which is supposed to be every Wednesday and Sunday, but like, oh, I'm not that good at that. Anyways, yeah, don't forget to also give this video a big thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, all that stuff. But yeah, let's roll the intro and get right into it. So for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, is going to be a haul of like free clothes that I get for hashtag influencing. Yeah, pretty much nearly almost every haul that I do on my channel is sponsored. Some of them aren't. Some of them I'm just like,
I'm gonna spend all of my own money and show you guys stuff because that's how much I love you and how much I want to entertain you all.
Yeah, but today's video is not sponsored, but these clothes were gifted to me, but like either I haven't worn them yet or they're mostly all for Instagram. They're mostly all Instagram stuff. So they were sent to me for free in the hopes that I would style them and post in them on Instagram. And speaking of Instagram, you should follow me on Instagram. I'm almost to 10K. I just want to get 10K on Instagram so I can get the freaking swipe up. So there's really only 2 brands in this haul, but I dig them a lot and thought I would show them a little bit more love anyways. We are going to get started with the first brand, and it is called Naked Zebra. I actually really like this brand, Naked Zebra. They're very nice. They like reached out to me to send me stuff for free and style and everything on my Instagram, and the person who I've been communicating with is just like so very nice, and so I really appreciate that about brands. This first piece of clothing is this really cute zebra shift dress. I've already styled this on my Instagram, so I'm just gonna post photos of me in these outfits. Yeah, and you know, it's got a double layer, so it's not see-through or anything. It's such a light, flowy fabric. So perfect for summer here in Arizona where it's like freaking disgustingly hot outside. But I just love this. It's super groovy. It also comes in just like your normal black and white zebra print, but I want to be a little funky town and get some purple and orange up in here. This is one of those brands where like first glance at their website, I was kind of like, I would never wear any of this stuff just because it's all like basic like model photos, which like that's like how like websites are for stores, you know. But until I like, it's one of those stores where you look at their Instagram and see how like outside normal commoners like myself style their clothes, and then you're like, oh, that is cute. So yeah, that's just my little thing about them is like, yeah, it just comes off super basic, but it ain't. Then these are actually brand spanking new. Yeah, I just got these literally like yesterday, I think, and then I was like, perfect, I can include them in this video. So this is a jumpsuit. It's a strapless jumpsuit. I'll post a photo of it, and it's just white, and this is actually a really soft fabric. It is like ruched, is that like a word? Ruched at the bottom, and then also in the waist, and it has a tie around the waist as well. So this is really cute. This would be a cute like beach cover up. This says like, this jumpsuit wants to be on vacation. That's what this says. I also really like this because I don't know if you can tell in the video, but they have a lining of shorts because this is really thin flowy fabric. And they have like a shorts lining, like not like a weird underwear lining, but like a nice shorts lining on the bottom, so it's not see-through and you can't see your underwear. I would still wear nude underwear with this anyways, just in case. Like, don't wear like a bright red, you know? That's just like asking for your underwear to be seen through white clothing. I hope this fits. I got this in a small. This is like a small, you can see it's a pleated skirt. It's a pleated midi skirt, and it's this black and white really tiny leopard print I am a slut for a good animal print. I'll admit it, you know, I'll admit it. But I just can't deny it. It's just so amazing. It's like instant cuteness. But anyways, this is a really nice flowy light fabric as well, and it also has a lining in it too, so you're not all see-through. I love that. I hate it when you get clothes and they're see-through and it's like, do your job. Like, I want to be covered, you know? I can't wait to style this too. See, like, this is one of the items on the website that I would be like, what? But then just like, you need to have like a vision, and when you get that vision, like, I'm gonna style the poop out of this skirt. All right, and then the last item I have here from them is actually their like sister store called Lost April, and so these shorts also I'm obsessed with. They are linen shorts, so cute. Look at these, adorable. Again, another thing that you would be like, what? But then styled, they're so cute. And they have like a ruching on the back. So I have a little, a bubble butt. I have a bubble butt. I got quite the booty. So wearing like pants and shorts is really hard, because if I want something to fit my butt and my legs, it won't fit my waist. And if I want something to fit my waist, it's not gonna fit my butt and my legs. More so my butt. Yeah, so love that for myself. So I got these in a size medium, with the hopes that they would be more comfortable on my booty and like long enough so my little booty cheeks aren't hanging out. And these do the trick as a size medium, but they are just so big on my waist. I'm like almost curious now, if I got a small, how long they would be, like if they would still be fine for like my butt not to be hanging out of them, because they're so nice and baggy and like a good length. Like, I could wear these to work. They're just so big around my waist that when I put a belt on, they look like paper bag shorts. You know, the new like cute little like style of like paper bag shorts. Yeah, they look like that. But I mean, it's also a vibe, so I'm gonna keep wearing them because they're really comfortable and really soft. So they're just paper bag shorts now. All right, and this next store, well, really it's only like the last store, but this is like one of the most hyped stores on Instagram right now, and it is Princess Polly Boutique. Yes, sister, I got free Princess Polly stuff. I'm proud of myself. Yeah, I'm obsessed with Princess Polly. So far, so good with everything that they have sent me. I'm obsessed. This skirt, can we talk about how freaking cute this skirt is? Oh my goodness. So I got this in a size US 4. Also, Princess Polly's sizing can get a little bit confusing, you know, so that's like half the battle. You just got to read the reviews and see like what items run bigger, run smaller. Also like look and see what the item is made out of as well. And like, I don't know, I just know that, so I know myself really well for like online shopping, because I really like to online shop. So I got this in a US 4, and it's great. It fits my waist perfectly fine. It is a mini skirt, so I wear spandex underneath it, or else my little booty can like show if I like bend the wrong way, you know, I don't know. But yeah, so definitely gotta wear some little spandex booty shorts underneath this so the world doesn't see my butt. And then this other set, oh my goodness. I love this so freaking much. First off, I'm not one to pick out like the color green. I'm pretty sure this set comes in both this green color and a red, and I almost picked out the red, but Jenny was like, you should do the green, and I was like, you're right. So yeah, it comes with this adorable top, and it buttons up in the front, and then this really fun flowy skirt. And this one also, like, I would wear like spandex underneath it, so like your booty isn't out for the world. But it's really nice and flowy and just so light and airy and summery, and I love it. And I also love matching sets, because you get like best of both worlds. You could wear the top with something else, boom, whole new outfit. The bottoms with something else, boom, whole new outfit. Or together, and it's its own outfit. This other item I got from Princess Polly is where I'm just sad. It actually is more so my fault, because like I knew this before buying, but This dress is so darn cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's adorable. It's so flattering, but it is made out of rayon, R-A-Y-O-N, rayon. And you know, I know that rayon, anytime I buy, like, it doesn't, 100% rayon. And it also like says that on the site, like it's not like I was blindsided or anything, but without a doubt, anytime I buy a piece of clothing that is made out of rayon, doesn't matter what brand it is, doesn't matter if it's a dress, shirt, pants, whatever, it always, like after the first wash, just like goes down like 5 times the size. So now I think this dress is a little too short for me. Like it just, and it makes me so sad. I'm gonna keep it still as like a beach cover up or something because it is such a cute, nice, flowy dress. But I'm just sad that it shrunk a little bit. And I don't even dry it. I line dry. I line dried this. So I didn't even wash it wrong. It just like shrunk. But you know, it's all good. It's all good in the hood because Princess Polly has a million other amazing things that make up for it. Like this dress. I have not styled this dress yet on my Instagram, but I'm really obsessed with it. I think I'm gonna wear it to a wedding this year because it's just like really, really freaking adorable. It's a little wrap dress with this beautiful, like silky, like darker sage green, you know, I don't know what I want to call this. I'm not good at colors, but it's really, really beautiful and I'm obsessed with it. And then this item, I also am really obsessed with this too. Take a shot every time I say obsessed. This little top is so cute. I really, really, really love it. It has like the ruching, the smocked, I don't really know what the term is for this, in the back, so it's still like comfy, stretchy, you know, and then it buttons up in the front. And this is kind of a sheer fabric, but I have like this perfect bralette that I got from Forever 21 that like I can wear underneath this perfectly and it doesn't show. So if you like didn't wear a bra with this, you would probably be like free the nip, you know, because this is a little sheer, but also that makes it really, really, really breathable. So I dig this a lot. And then I also got another white top, kind of like similar style like this. I'll put a picture of it because I styled it with that really cute pink skirt. And I like the top, but I probably should have gotten it in a size up because my boobs like literally did not fit in that top at all. So I think that top would have been perfect. I think I got it in a 4, but yeah, my boobs didn't fit in it at all. And this top is a 4 as well. This dress is a 4. This dress is a 4. And this is a 4. Yeah, I pretty much wear a 4 in all Princess Polly stuff. So that is it for this video of just kind of honestly reviewing clothes that I've gotten for free, unrelated to like YouTube collabs. This was free stuff for my Instagram. So also with that, make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see all these cute, you know, pictures of me in these cute outfits. But I love you. Okay, bye guys.